Hello friends, good morning. I hope all are fine. Today I am very exciting to something share with you. Therefore, today I will share the prepositions of time and place. What preposition was used in case of time and place? Let's start. Prepositions of time and place. Use of in, on and at preposition. First of all, I discuss the prepositions of in case of time. When the prepositions in is used. First of all, in the morning, in. If you signifies morning, then you can use in the morning. Secondly, in the afternoon, in the summer, in 1980, in 1900s, in the 17th century, in the Easter holiday, in the next century, in the future, in the 10 years time. Secondly, use of on in case of time. For example, on Sunday, on Monday, on Saturday, on 3rd June, on 1st October 2013, like this, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on Tuesday evening, on time, on winter evening, on a warm day. And thirdly, use of at preposition. Like, for example, at 9 a.m., at 8 o'clock, at 6 p.m., at night, at noon or midday, at Easter, at Christmas, at dinner time, at dinner, and lastly at the moment, at that moment. And secondly, in case of place, we can use the prepositions of in, on and at. First of all, we discuss in case of in. For example, in England, in Chinatown, in building, in a car, in a taxi, in a boat, in a helicopter, in a traffic jam, in Times Square, in the article. Next, on. For example, on a bus, on a plane, on a horse, on the phone, on the internet, on the television, on the floor, on the page, on the menu, on export stress. And last was use of at in case of place. For example, at 675 State Street, at the bus stop, at the door, at the top of the page, at the someone's house, at the entrance, at the crossroad, at the front, at the back, and lastly at the bottom. I think you will understand whatever I want to say. I hope you enjoyed this video till the end. and I will meet you with another videos. Thank you all.